Blessing eye problems. Dear friends, due to the ultimate source of our karma ripening, we can experience many problems arising from environment, people, surroundings, food, sound, water, etc. They can afflict us and bring discomfort or problems, disturbing our quality of life. Within the Tantra taught by Buddha Shakyamuni, there are many practices that can avert many problems we may experience. Some of the practices must be done with initiation, visualizing ourselves as a deity, thereby purifying wrong perception. There are practices we do not need to visualize ourselves as a deity, and also both. There are many hundreds of forms of Avalokiteshvara or Chenrezig. Chenrezig can manifest to help us heal, overcome obstacles, increase good qualities, gain wisdom, purify karma, and ultimately to reach full enlightenment. The great masters of Tibet, India, Nepal, Mongolia, Afghanistan, Kashmir, China, Korea, and Japan have relied upon many forms of Chenrezig and have obtained great benefits and blessings. This form of Chenrezig I am sharing with all of you is especially to heal the defects, problems, and disturbances specifically to our eyes. Out of the five senses, the eye is extremely important. Therefore, when it has problems, it can be worrying. This practice I am recommending here, you do not require initiation. You may do this practice even if your eye is healthy or if they are afflicted. If your eyes are healthy, through this practice you can gain the special eye of wisdom that can penetrate Buddha's teachings deeply, and samsara's deceptions are seen by you clearly. You gain the eye of wisdom that penetrates the true existence of phenomenon as elucidated by Tsongkhapa and Nagarjuna. You gain the eye of penetrative insight into the ultimate mode of existence, which is emptiness. In fact, this practice helps us to gain attainments to uncover seeing samsara for what it really is. You gain supreme wisdom. If your eyes have illness, this can help you to heal in conjunction with seeing the doctor and taking the medicine required. You can recite the mantra any time of the day or night daily, anywhere until healing is occurred. Sometimes you may receive dream of your eyes being washed, cleaning your clothes, room, or sangha, washing an item, climbing a mountain, seeing the sun or moon rise, or vomiting. These are some indications in your dream that purification and healing are taking place. Even if you don't have these dreams, it is okay, as this practice blesses your eyes, increases your wisdom, and ultimately leads you to enlightenment. Procedure. Sit comfortably on a chair or a cushion. Take refuge, trusting that Chenrezig is a perfect refuge. Then recite Namo Guru Be, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya 3 times, thinking about the perfect object of refuge which you can put your full trust in. Then recite the 8 verses of thought transformation. Next is the praise to Avalokiteshvara, and it goes like this. I prostrate to the Lord Avalokiteshvara, with the eye of compassion looking at all living beings, not affected by any defects, white in color, adorned with an enlightened being. Then after that you will recite 3 mantras, that is according to this tradition of practice. The first and the third mantra you recite only twice. The second mantra you recite 21 times a day or more, that is the main mantra. At the end of the mantra recitation, you blow on both your ring fingers and take the ring fingers and rub the opposite eye. Left ring finger to right eye, right ring finger to left eye. Here are the mantras. Teata, Huyu Huyu, Hudu Hudu, Kili Kili, Tsakuma, Ye Tri, Ru Tri, Naye Soha. Teata, Huyu Huyu, Hudu Hudu, Kili Kili, Tsakuma, Yetri, Rutri, Naye Soha. The main mantra, Sale Sale, Mum Sale, Kunri Soha. Sale Sale, Mum Sale, Kunri Soha. The third and last mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Then finally, you have the prayers of request. O Guru Avalokiteshvara, embodiment of all 3 objects of refuge, I earnestly beseech you with great enthusiasm. From the depths of my heart, please purify all the defects of my eyes, whatever has come either through previous karma or through immediate circumstances. Bless me to obtain the wisdom eye like that of the Supreme Lord by purifying all these defects. Recite this last prayer of request 7 times, very strongly with faith and confidence in Lord Avalokiteshvara or Chenrezig. Then finally, you do the dedication. Through the merit of this practice, may I quickly attain the state of Lord Avalokiteshvara and lead all living beings without exception to that state of enlightenment. After reciting the dedication, you are complete with the practice for the day. If you do not have time, you can simply go directly to the mantra and recite as many as possible daily with confidence. If you have a shrine, make offerings to this form of Avalokiteshvara, such as water, incense, or flowers. If you don't, it is also okay. This practice can be done by anyone of any lineage and background, even if you don't call yourself a Buddhist. Chenrezig's blessings are not subject to our definitions and radiate like the sun unto all. During the mantra recitation, visualize from the front hands of Chenrezig light flowing down onto one's eyes and blessing them of all defects. Feel warmth and movement in your eye area as part of the healing process. This practice has no dangers or negative side effects. It is gentle, simple, and easy practice. I have extracted the information and compiled here for modern practitioners based on a text by Losang Chuki Wangchuk. I wish everyone very good luck, healthy eyes, healthy body, healthy mind, healthy spirit, healthy soul, and great blessings from Lord Avalokiteshvara Chenrezig.